Good afternoon, Aftab. So the rest of the question answers. Okay. So previous class I have already discussed up to question number 1, 5. Now today we are going to discuss up to question number 1F. And the question is that which map provides detailed information, okay, which map provides detailed information, and the answers are, so are you ready? I am discussing the answer. Mention in the chat box that are you ready or not. Yes, okay. So a large scale map, so answer will be a large scale map provides detailed information Who is talking? Don't talk, students. Mute your microphone and ask me if you have any problem, then in the chat box. So a large scale map is provide the detailed information to us. Okay. So now G. Nobody will talk. Listen to me carefully. If you will talk, then you cannot write the question answer. Now question number F. It is that how do symbols help in reading maps? How do symbols help in reading maps? And the answer is, start writing, that symbols are very useful. Symbols are very useful in reading maps. Full stop. Next line, especially when someone don't know the language of that place or country. Students, mute your microphone. Don't make such sounds. Who is making sound here? The board is clear in front of you. So don't know the language of that place or country. Full stop. In spite of that, next line, in spite of that, anyone can In spite of that, anyone can easily locate a place or particular landmark okay Tanas. It is Aftab. Is it Aftab? Aftab is not present. A particular landmark with the help of symbols. A particular landmark with the help of map. Okay. With the help of map. Full stop. So completed. So the question answers completed. I am dictating. You cannot see the board. Okay, so nothing to do, students. In my window everything is clear, though I will try. Okay. Now students, everything is clear, I think. So symbols are very useful in reading maps, especially when someone don't know the language of that place or country. Full stop. In spite of that, everyone can easily locate a place or particular landmark with the help of map. So that's the answer of question number 1G. Okay. Now we're going to discuss about the tick the correct option, tick the correct answers. So if you have completed, then mention in the chat box. So I have already repeated. Now question number 2. Okay, I am rubbing the question number 1. 1F. So it is 1A, and the question is, map showing distribution of forests are. So tell me the answer. Option number 1 physical map, option number 2 thematic map, and option number 3 political map. So which will be the correct answer? students? Option number 2, yes. Option number 2 is the correct answer. It is thematic map. It is thematic map. Okay. So if you have completed, then tell me. Moinak, mute your microphone. Rick also. So it is option number 2, thematic map. Now B, question number B is that the blue color is used for showing. Now tell me which is the correct answer. Question number 2B. One, yes, very good. It is watercolor. So it is the correct option is watercolor. So the blue color is used for showing watercolors, water bodies. Now C, a compass is used. Now C is a compass is used for 1 to show symbols, to find the main direction, and 3 to measure distance. So which will be the correct answer? Tell me, students, through the chat box. Yes, very good. It is C2, to find the main direction. It is also option number 2. Now D. So which is the correct option? Tell me. A scale is necessary for a map, for a sketch, for a symbol. So which is the correct answer? Yes, 1. Yeah, very good. It is also option number 1. Scale is necessary for a map. So students, that's all from the question answer session. Now we're going to discuss the first paragraph of the next chapter. It is the major domains of the art. Okay, so I'm having this one. And it is in page number 30. Chapter number 5. Okay, I'm rubbing this one also. The major domains of the art. Okay, major domains of the art. So you know that Earth is the only planet in which has life, and humans, animals, trees, everything can live here because of the presence of 3 important elements. These are air, water, and land. Land is also present in other planets also, but land is present in the earth is so much fertile. So plants can collect their nutritious material. Okay, they can collect all these things, and water also from the land. And land is very much helpful for the growth of life here. But the other planets, the land is barren. So it's not possible to cultivate crops on that planets right now. Okay. So the surface of Earth is a complex zone in which the 3 main components, the air, water, and land, they intermixed with each other. They meet with each other, overlap, and interact with each other with the environment. Okay, so and in this way the life evolves in earth, and we divided the important elements into 4 domains, okay, including the living beings. So the number 1, it is the lithosphere. So what is lithosphere? That lithosphere is a solid portion in which we live. It is called lithosphere. The soils, the continents, it is also part of the lithosphere. The mountains, plains and plateaus, all are the part of lithosphere. Number 2, it is the another domain, the gaseous layers that surrounds our earth up to the space is called the atmosphere. And different gases also present in the atmosphere, such as the oxygen, that is very necessary for the life, the carbon dioxide, the nitrogen, and some latent gases and water vapors. Okay, latent gases means the argon, the neon, the radon, xenon, this type of gases. Okay. Now number 3, what is the third domain? That you know that water covers our earth, and almost 3/4 of our earth covers with water, and this water was also water body divided into various water bodies such as oceans, sea, as well as the lakes, glaciers, the rivers, the ponds, as well as the groundwater, underground water, okay, and water vapor. So these all are the part of the domains that is called hydrosphere. And the last one, last domain, where the biosphere, it is called biosphere, where is all the land and water and air, they intermixed with each other and creates the conditions that forms all forms of life, the conditions that helpful for the formation of life, okay, that is called biosphere. So the animals, land, water and air intermixed in that domains, that is called biosphere. Okay, so students, that is the 4 domains of the earth. So today up to this, if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Lithos means rock, yes, and hydros means water, and yes, and atmos means air. Very good, Nilanjan. Yes, this is the meaning of these names. These are taken from Latin. These are Latin phrases, and these are the 4 domains of the earth. Yes, bios means life. Yes, Nilanjan also correct. Okay, biosphere is a narrow zone where we find land, water and air together creates the conditions that forms the life, okay, that helps to evolve the life, that is called biosphere. It is also mentioned in the book. In class 7 in detail you will read about these 4 domains, okay, and especially about the biosphere. In the last chapter also we will discuss about the biosphere. Okay, so from next day on we will discuss about these domains one by one. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class.